Hi, this is the Trade Folder with Koki.
How's it going?
All right, so we're going to do our weekly setup and our weekly plan here. All right, so we're going to our algo, and right now we can see that the yen and the pound are the currencies in play. All right, so I think you want to say something. Go for it.
No, we were pointing up there, and we should be looking at here.
Oh, okay. All right, so if I look at the yen and the pound right now for the evening trade, I can see that we have a mixed bag. Okay, meaning that we have some that finished the corrective move. We have sideways bias up, not confirmed on the yen because it's only 0.7. We have a pullback on the euro. So right now is not the aggressive time to trade. Now, if we were to trade something against the yen, what do you say, Koki? What should we trade against the yen?
Like you said, it's kind of mixed, so I would be holding back right now. I see that the pound is kind of in play, so I would probably do something with the pound.
All right, so the only thing I don't like about the pound is you see how supply and demand are 25 and 26 pips away, yes?
Right.
All right, so that means that price has equal pressure on the top and the bottom, causing it to go sideways on the pound. So I would take something more out of balance. Now, if I look at the CAD, you see how that's an 18 and a 14? That's also going sideways. So our last two choices would be New Zealand or the Aussie. And I'm actually coming over here to see if the dollar is weak enough. No, the dollar is also going sideways. You see the number 13 and 15 on the dollar, yes? That means the price is equally trapped between supply and demand. Okay, so if I were to trade something with the yen right now, I'd be looking for racetracks on the New Zealand and the Aussie. All right, so let's go over to our news. All right, so we're looking at the news. Monday, Powell speaks, Carney speaks, Powell speaks, Powell speaks. Wow, a lot of people talking. All right, so what news trades can we actually trade? CPI, core CPI, and GDP on the pound and on the dollar. All right, so we have crude oil inventories on Wednesday. Other than that, we don't trade people that speak because we don't have any idea when they're going to drop the bomb that moves the news. All right, so we got Carney and we have Powell speaking on Monday and Tuesday. Those are not things you should trade on the news. We always want a definite open of a number that will move the market. Okay, so after that, we're going to check the dollar. All right, so last week we drew that pink line at 12,476. And we said that when price on the dollar hits that line, then the dollar should go down, the pound should go up, and the euro should go up. Yes? All right, so you guys had easy trades last week on the euro and the pound. And I remember the yen came into play on one of those days. Now, you see the racetrack to the downside on the daily. Okay, based upon the candle lengths, the candle body lengths, we still have 2 days of price going down. Okay, we have orders taking out orders, so we have a racetrack still to the downside. All right, so we still have profit potential to the downside. On the 4-hour chart, we do not have any confirmation yet that they want to take price down. Okay, now if I look at the weekly, we have buyers waiting at 12,408. And we go down to 12,390. All right, so 12,390, we have buyers waiting there. All right, so we want to be able to take this down on the dollar. And if we change this, all right, let's see if pound dollar has any room to go up. All right, so the pound dollar does have a partial racetrack. You have orders that are in the way here. You have to assess your risk. All right, so we have a bank number right here at 12400 and 12400. This one didn't change, right? Oh, okay, we got to change this one. They're not linked. All right, so we come over here to the pound dollar. All right, so we have a confluence of unfilled sell orders over here. Again, we would like the pound to go up if the dollar is going down. This is not a high probability trade. I would go look at the euro or something else first. This is not a high probability trade to the upside. There's too many unfilled orders in the way. All right, so dollar. Yeah, go euro dollar. We'll check out the euro dollar. Oh, euro dollar is much better.
Yeah.
All right, so you should trade the euro dollar. If the dollar goes down, the euro dollar will go up, and the euro dollar has somewhat of a racetrack to make some money, especially on the daily. You can make right in there. So perfect.
Cool.
All right. So that's it for the week. See
Yeah.
anything else?
No, I have to take it day by day.
Yeah,
And
take it day
seems
by
like
day.
it's more ranging this week.
Oh yeah, we have the dollar leaving demand right here. Okay. All right. It's ranging right now. You guys trade safe and look for high probability trades and make money with confidence.
Any questions or comments?
Oh, any questions or comments, please email us at team@growuphairandtrade.com.